Hey, this is iMacUpdate.tk, and I'm going to show you how to record sound effects for an animation like gun loading. So what you want to do is you want to go here to GarageBand. Alright, then you want to go to Voices. Then name it like just like gun. I'll name mine Gunshot 112, or how about 123? So create that, and this will come up. So what you want to do here is it doesn't matter, female, male, who cares. So what you want to do is, I think the Mac is on this side of your Mac. So over here. So yeah, over here. It's probably, I think your microphone's over here. So do your sound effect into this side of the screen. So when you're ready, click the record button. Alright. So it's really clear. Listen to this. It's really clear. There's not like on PCs there's like fizzing in the background. There's none of that, so that's good. So you take that. It's perfect. If you like how it is, then you can save as. But if you think it's too long, you can cut it down. Like just find where you want to cut it. Like say right there, and then you come down to here. And you're going to put it where you want to cut it. Put it where you want to cut it, and then all you do is cut it. So it's really simple to figure out. So just do that, and you can get a really good animation with sound effects. It's much more entertaining when there's sound, but it's pretty boring with no sound, so I would rather have sound. So again, it sounds really good, really clear. So you go to File, Save As, Gunshot 123. Where I have a folder named Mike. That's where I would save it, but you could save it somewhere else. So go to iMacUpdate.tk, and there's videos and all that. So see ya.